Hello everyone, I'm Swati. Welcome to my channel. Firstly, I would like to thank each and every one of you for supporting me so much on my last video. I'm really overwhelmed by your response. Do like and subscribe to my channel. So this time I have come up with the bottle art. Basically, we are trying to give a natural vase look to an ordinary bottle. I have this bottle with me. Okay, so I'm giving natural vase look to this bottle. You can use any of the bottle. Okay, so let's get started. I'm using this cement. I have this cement with me. This is white cement. I'm going to add some water into it to get desired consistency. Let's add some water. Use your hand. Don't use brush because it's cement only. Okay, we need some more cement. So this is how it is completed now. We'll give some time to get it little hardened. Okay. So give it about 15-20 minutes to get little hardened. After that we are going to use this jute rope on this. I'm starting from bottom. So we have left it overnight and the cement is all dried. Okay, now we are going to paint it. I'm going to use this Fevicryl color. It is natural flesh color, it is written. Okay, so I'm going to paint. So after painting, this is the look, and now we are going to remove this jute rope to get the desired look like this. So this is the look we were looking for. It has got right texture as we wanted, and it has white color of white cement, plus it has this beige color that we painted. So the combination look very good. Okay, it looks like a very natural vase. Okay, I can plant some flowers like this. Okay, so this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.